Right, so this bird's landed on my mirror. Look. And now he wants my chip that I'm going to give him in a second. Look, so here's my chip. Yeah. So I'm going to give this bird, who's patiently waiting, my chip. And there you go. Off he went. And here's the next one. Look. Look at that. Hello. I'm a bit alright. Come on. You want a chip? Come and fly to my window. Come on. Shall I look? If I do that. Do I do it there? Oh! That's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's see who comes now. You'll see me eating my chips now. I'll land on my window. I'm just patiently waiting over there, look. So I'll open the window again. Ready? No? Not coming for it? Throw it then. Here's one, look. Here he is. Look at that! I mean, how cool is that? Amazing.